Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to share with you how we can fix if your left earbud or right earbud is not working for Jabra Elite 2 and what you can do about it. So the only thing that comes to my mind that you can try is to hard reset. So you're gonna take both earbuds, you're gonna put them to the case, and then you're just gonna hold both of the earbuds in a case, and you're just gonna wait like 15-20 seconds while you're holding it until they're going to like bleep together. And I'm going to show you how it looks. And maybe you're gonna have to do it for like second time or third time. Do you see the bleep on the left side, on the right side? And you just want to bleep them together like this. Yep, and now they have been resetted now. So this can possibly help you if your left and right earbud is not working. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you're gonna have a great day. And yeah, goodbye.